Hello you amazing people, welcome back. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys my top Amazon beauty favorites under $50 that helped me and will actually also help you stay groomed during this lockdown. So keep on watching. If you're new here, hello, I am Suchi, a part-time fashion blogger and YouTuber sharing styles that keep you stylish every day. I'm here to make style easier for you guys. If you like fashion and beauty videos like these ones, click the like button now and click that subscribe button so you never miss a video from me again. The first item is actually my savior during this lockdown period, and it is this eyebrow trimmer. Guys, this little magician is saved and kept my eyebrows in check the entire time. Oh my god, I can't tell you how much I love this. Now, before using this, I used to go to salon to get my eyebrows threaded every other week, and if you combine all of the money that you're spending, it eventually becomes a lot. And this product is actually just $23, which is amazing, and it's rechargeable, so you actually are not wasting any battery, and it's environmental friendly. That's what I love about it. Now my daughter also loves it and she uses it because the process itself is completely painless. You won't feel a thing when you're doing it. It acts like what do you call it? It's a razor that usually comes with hair tools as well to kind of smoothen out the hair roots. So that's how it works. The process is really quick and really painless. That's what I love about this product. And the best part is that since it's so compact, you can also keep it in your handbag as a quick fix. If, say for example, you're running late to a meeting or something and you realize you do have your brows not looking so good, so this can be a quick fix. Now I'm thinking that post-lockdown I might still be using this a lot because this is such a time-saving product, isn't it guys? Now this one, I call it a tiny vacuum cleaner for your face. This is actually a Blackhead Remover, but I love it, and it's kind of the most expensive out of all of the products that I'm sharing today, but this is so worth it. I love the technology. It comes with different sizes of these vacuum kind of heads, and you just plug it in and turn it on in different levels and use it on your face. The technology is awesome, and this actually works on corners of your skin, like corners of your nose or around your forehead, places that is really painful, especially around your nose area, which is really painful when you're trying to use a blackhead removing pen. I know you all know how that feels. So this is really painless. You don't feel a thing. You just feel a slight kind of like suction feeling on your skin, and that's it. Now the trick of using this is to keep on moving it around your face rather than holding it in one spot, because then it kind of creates a red mark because it kind of clots the blood a little bit. But if you keep on moving, and that's what is part of the instruction as well. So this retails for around $46, and this is my at-home facial essential. I really feel like this made my at-home facial really efficient, and you actually don't have to spend, even post lockdown, you don't have to spend a lot of money in going to take a lot of spa or facial appointments. You can do occasional facials and then regularly use this tool to remove all the blackheads that you have. This automatic Footpiler is so much better than those manual handheld, those Footpilers or scrubbing brushes that we use. Oh my god, I can't tell you how much I love this product. I miss pedicures, ladies. I miss pedicures so much. My feet desperately needs it because of having dried, soles. So this actually helps it a lot. This is again a rechargeable product, which is win-win all the time. All you need to do is plug it in and recharge it. It comes with a spare scrubbing roll, which is good because then once you run out of one and you forgot to buy a refill, you have an extra one and then you can buy it. This tool is also very reasonable priced for around $19, which is amazing for having a refill scrubbing roll as well. And this just does the work so quickly. You can just sit and watch some TV and scrub your feet. I just find that this is such a useful product, especially during this time when we can get our pedicures. For the longest, I was actually using the Foreo Mini silicone facial brush. I know a lot of you might also be using it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below if you liked it or not. I loved it. It was really better than the Clarisonic brush because the brush was really harsh on my skin. So the silicone bristles were way softer and smoother, and so there was no harsh like abrasion on your skin. But the only problem with the Foreo Mini silicone brush was that it would run out or probably die within like 50 to 60 usage. And you know, the rechargeable one was actually way more expensive. So I found this brush from Amazon. This retails for around $33, which is way cheaper than the Foreo, even the mini brush. Now the handheld part makes it super easy to use on your face compared to the Foreo brush, because you had to hold the Foreo brush like this and you touch your skin a lot. But in this, the brush is separated from the hand part, so it's easy to brush your face. Now the brush is completely rechargeable, and it comes with this cute stand. So you put it on the stand, it looks really cute on your bathroom counter, and it has a gold tone, which I love. And I actually use it while showering because I feel like that is really helpful when you are kind of quickly showering. This makes your face cleansing really easy. The silicone bristles are really soft. I love that. And it comes with different vibrations. So depending on what kind of style you want or massages you like, you can change the level and the vibration style of this. This is definitely worth your money, ladies. Now, this UV LED nail dryer light, I have actually had it for a few years now, but only recently I've been using it a lot. Since we can't get any manicures done, we need to do it at home. And since I'm at home a lot, there's a lot to do and a lot of chores to do, so there's not really a lot of time for me to wait for my nails to dry. So I use it while I am at my desk working. I paint my nail and then use this to dry it while I'm at work, because that's the only time I get when nobody else is disturbing me and I can focus on my work and do this at the same time. So this is definitely helpful. It's not a necessity, but I feel like this helps my nail drying process. It makes it really faster and easy to finish it and time saving, and that's why I love this product. This is really cheap, guys. It's around like $13 or something. So this is definitely like something that all of you ladies should have. Now this is not rechargeable, but what I do is I actually use the USB charger and plug it into my computer and use that while drying my nails. Let me know, guys, if you are actually using any of these products. What are your thoughts? We all would love to know if you guys liked it or if you found something else which is similar to these ones that are helpful. It's always good to share. Sharing is caring. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss any such videos from me again, don't forget to click that subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!